Good evening, people. It gives me great pleasure in meeting you again in another video. In this video, we're going to cover one of the topics in universe research, which relates to thoughts. Uh, it comes under the topic of human nature. The reason why it's covered is uh, in trying to understand the knowledge that's there in the nature of this earth or the nature of this entire universe comes from the efforts given from each individual, that is the human beings. Understanding our connection in this natural creation, we need to understand how our psychological aspect works and its connection with the nature. And most of the topic given here are very fundamental concepts, but forms a very key structure to the overall research process in the universe research subject that we are covering in the Our Moon Life Research Center. So when we are talking about thoughts, the most preliminary or the most fundamental format for a person who's just growing up to be a young adult would be something like a memory of an incident, or a memory of a perspective that the individual has. And as the individual matures, we start to see the perspective shift to a different paradigm, where we might consider an entire perspective or an expression of an entire perspective is a thought. And as this perspective keeps growing, and as our knowledge keeps growing, our perspective towards this thought keeps evolving. And there are multiple perspectives to it, but when we are trying to do a research work, we would try giving something of a universal or a more defined format to it, which would stay true to whatever situation it might be. And one such situation has been shared in this article, where we see a collection of thought resides within the construction of your mind, is what conveyed in the article. And one beautiful perspective, which when I was having a discussion with our head researcher, came to be that thought is the expression of your livelihood nature with the connective, your livelihood nature with the connective nature of your five senses. So its expression comes out as a thought. And that's a very beautiful perspective to have, because it superlates all my previous perspectives, where it shows that the perspective shown in the article as well, where all of the thoughts that we have, right, are within the mind, somewhere within the mind, and it evolves, it connects with each other, and it expresses itself in multiple times of our life, depending on our situation. And the way it comes to be, and the way it disappears to be from your existential reality, is based upon your experience and connective nature with the five senses of your body structure. And all that we have in control is not to control these five senses, but all we can do is like to perfect our practices with these five senses, where it could be properly tuned within our nature and the nature of this universe, where the thoughts clarity, may it be negative or positive, will align with the purpose of your life. And this can be brought about with right practices with our senses. And there is another perspective that's delivered in the article, that thought is the primary root of our livelihood. And that's a very deep perspective if you look at out in the right perspective. The point I'm trying to deliver here is that when a thought comes to be, right, and the nature it exists in your current sense of life, may it be something like consuming this video, or something that is very important to you in your life journey, the aim you have set out for yourself, and you're going towards some perspective where you want to grow, or you want to contribute, or you want to like be a better version of yourself, or something, some goal that you have set out for yourself, and you're moving towards that. And the nature of these thoughts coming out throughout this journey turns out to be your daily livelihood, and the nature in which it expresses itself forms to be a very core aspect in the way of life. And it's not just your livelihood, but to the perspective which you're trying to grow towards, and all these connectivities is like very important. And people with some sort of goals and moving towards their goals would really appreciate that, if somehow we could balance our thought, the way our thought works, may it be in the positive realm, may it be in the negative realm. Usually what happens in the positive realm, if something happens where you're like going into a situation where you're not giving yourself enough space to grow, or in the negative realm, what would happen is like you would like even make your life even more harder for yourself in terms of piling the negative thoughts one top of the other, connecting all together. These are the natures that usually happen, and the thoughts that arrive at that moment, right? It's very much not under our control, and it's like way out of its it's completely out of our nature to control it. But what we could do is, but if we could bring clarity into these thoughts with proper practices of all these senses, then the thoughts would have, maybe the negative thought, even the negative thought would have clarity on its nature of belonging in your life experience, where you would at least have an acceptance for that thought to exist within yourself. When this sort of acceptance and clarity arrives for each of these thought process and its connective natures, life becomes easier, and new perspective starts opening up in life, where you could truly see yourself grow as an individual. And all of this exists to be within the structure of your mind, and mind plays a very key role in one's individual health, and any connectivity the individual has with the nature, mind plays a very important role. Hence, there is even more weight on understanding how thought works, and to understand how a thought will work, it is important to understand three different paths in which thought travels. One is truth, one is a lie, and one is a imagination. And all of these three exist in some form or another, but usually we would fail to acknowledge the lie and imagination. We would always want it to be within the truth. We want to consider ourselves as being in the very rightful path, but it's natural for it to exist, and it's natural for us to acknowledge it. Once we start acknowledging it, we will start seeing the nature of it, and nature of it in the way it exists, and the nature of it in which its outcome comes out to be. Once we start observing all of this, we will know its life cycle, we will know its existence, so we will not be too disturbed by it, where when we try not to control it too much, what eventually would happen is the real seeking of yours, where you want to have the truthful thought to prevail and to be exuberant within yourself, will start taking more space, and the others will start to disappear. And that's a very reassuring and a very great thought to have in terms of how we could better the process of thought and its cycle within our mind. And once this comes into some sort of a balance, we will start seeing the nature of our mind, and we will start seeing whatever ups and downs as a learning experience in our contribution towards our own life and this world. In this time where our population is growing every day, and the need of science to find its reach to each individual in this planet is becoming even more pronounced as the day passes. And in such a scenario, exploring these edge concepts and covering almost all of these aspects of life into science, and having clarity in the path where we are growing as humanity, will play a huge role, as the necessity of creating human livelihood on another planet would start becoming a reality, where knowledge of this sort will become much more meaningful and useful to balance ourselves as individual and grow towards our goal in transcending humanity into their dream of creating a livelihood on another planet for ourselves and elevating all of humanity's livelihood through it. And I hope to connect with you on another video with further perspectives from the universe research topic. Thanks for connecting with me on this video. Have a great day. Bye.